In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN on Roku, so you can enjoy live sports and highlights on your TV. Let's get started. To watch ESPN on Roku, start by pressing the home button on your Roku remote and searching for the ESPN app in the Roku channel store. Install the app, then open it and select Sign In or Activate. You'll see an activation code displayed on your screen. Next, visit espn.com/activate on your computer or mobile device, log in to your ESPN account, or create one if needed, and enter the code to link your Roku device. If you don't have ESPN+, subscribe to it, or link a supported TV provider that includes ESPN. Once activated, return to the ESPN app on your Roku. You can now stream live sports, watch highlights, and access exclusive ESPN+ content directly on your TV. For offline viewing, download eligible ESPN+ content on a mobile device while connected to Wi-Fi. Ensure your Roku is connected to a stable internet connection for uninterrupted streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN on Roku's.